Hello, this is ayoagrofoods. Welcome to our channel. So if you have not subscribed, please try and subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we post a new video you will be notified. So in today's video I want to show you how to make pap akamu. They call it akamu in Yoruba. How to make pap powder, whether it's the guinea corn you want to make or the yellow corn one, or you want to do maize pap, you can use this method to make them. So first of all, you will pick the dirty inside your graze, the one you want to use. Pick the dirty, then you pour it inside water. You rinse it. When you rinse it, you will now pour water, another water to soak it for about 3 days. So you soak it for 3 days to ferment. But if you cannot meet up that 3 days, make sure that the 4th day, early in the morning, you remove it from the water and wash it thoroughly. You have to wash it to at least wash it several times, like 4 times, to remove the fermented smell somehow. So after that, you go for grinding. You go and grind it. So after you grind it finish, you now have the 2 water. You look for, there are several type of silver. You look for the one that the pap one. Just go to the market and say you want the pap one, the pap silver. They will sell to you. So you get that one, you use it to sieve it. You can share the water into 2, clean water into 2. Then you as you are putting it inside one, and you also put it inside the other to make sure that you remove all the pap, remain the chaff there. So after sieving, you put it inside that water. Just leave it inside that water for some hours or overnight for the pap to settle down the bowl. So when it settle, then you just remove the water. When you remove the water, you now pour, you want to do pap powder. If it is the liquid you want to do is okay, then like that you can just pack it inside a bowl and put inside your freezer, inside your fridge, for preservative, to preserve it. But if it is the powder you want to do, you will still put it inside, pour it inside silver cloth, like the one I use in this video. You put inside silver cloth to drain the water more, so that if you are drying it, it will not be too long before it dry. So you tie it. Look the way I do it in this video. Just wash it to the end. You tie it, then to drain the water. So after the water have drained, look at this is how it's going to be. So it will be, you will see it will dry a little bit. So the remaining drying, you can dry inside sun, but I think the best one is dehydrator for quick drying. So you can use sun if it is hot, but make sure that you dry it in a clean environment. That's just it. Then you dry it. After you dry finish, it will still have lumps. The lumps, small lumps. Look at the one in this video. Look at it. It still has small lumps. So you have to go and grind it again to total powder. But if you are using it at home, you can use it like that. Just put it inside a tight container. Then if you want to use it, you just remove it and soak it inside water. Inside water before the water that you want to use to mix it, you just let it settle. Then you use spoon to scatter the lumps and do it. But if you are selling it, or you don't like that, you don't want to go that length, you can grind it to powder. So it's ready. So you put it in a tight container or tight packaging. That's just it. So subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we post a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.